This is a somewhat belated acknowledgement of the significant achievement of Reggae Girl's top striker and captain, Khadija Bunny Shaw, on being voted the CONCACAF Female Player of the Year. It's the first time that a Jamaican footballer, male or female, is winning an award of this magnitude. This is totally uncharted territory for Jamaican football. The 26-year-old Bunny Shaw is currently the leading goal scorer in the Women's Premier League in England, playing for Manchester City. She's already Jamaica's all-time top goal scorer with 55 goals in 38 appearances for the country. She's the captain of the Reggae Girls team, heading to their second consecutive World Cup tournament on the back of crucial goals from their skipper. In a region including world champions, the USA, and top-ranked Canada, with super individual players, Bunny Shaw winning this award is nothing to scoff at. In other words, it's a big thing. And it does go to show that despite all the imperfections in Jamaican life and in Jamaican football, big things can still happen. I just do the right thing. Like Bunny Shaw. Yes, yes. I saw me attack it wrong.